Hello everybody and welcome back to another Spicy Coding Academy episode where we are going over the FreeCodeCamp challenges. Tonight we will be covering iteration with JavaScript while loops. Essentially, the first type of loop is called the while loop because it runs while a specified condition is true and stops once that condition is no longer true. So, as you can see, we have our array and we have const in front of it, which means, hey, this is going to stay as an array. Even if we add or remove elements, because we have const, we are going to keep this puppy an array. Right here, we declared a variable let I equals 0. This is going to be our starting point for our array. And then we have our while loop. And here is our condition that we put after the word while. I is less than 5. We call our array and then we use the function .push. We pop in the I as our little thing to push in. So this will, in this case, the little thing will be numbers. And then we will integrate this I variable. So in the code example, the while loop will execute 5 times and append the numbers 0 through 4 to our array. So if you want to follow the process, at first it's going to be is 0 less than 5? And you read it like this. While 0 is less than 5, call the array dot push on that 0 and put it into our array. Now increment I. Is 1 less than 5? It is. Great. Then call our array, use the function .push to put the 1 into our array. Now increment 2 less than 5. Yes. Okay. So call our array, use the function .push, and then push the 2 into the array. You keep doing that until, okay, once it increments to 5, 5 is no longer less than 5. So since it is no longer true, it will not do. That's the whole thing right there. If it is not true, it will not do. So it goes from 0 through 4 and it places that into the array. Now it wants us to try it on our own. It says add the numbers 5 through 0 inclusive, which means both 5 and 0 and everything in between, in descending order to my array using a while loop. So we're going to have our variable let I, and then if we're going to go in descending order, we want to start with the end. The end part from 5, because we want that to be the first thing in our array because it wants it to be 5 through 0. Now we're going to make our handy dandy while loop. Now I want you to guess. What do you think it's going to be? Is it going to be greater than 0 or less than 0? And will it be greater than and equal to 0 or just greater than 0? Well, if you guess this, you are correctamunda. We're going to call our array. We're going to use our push function. And then we're going to cause the dissension. And once we're done with that, oh, look at the little typo. We're going to check and boom. Alright everybody, that is while loops. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, definitely check out our tiny cohort. We're starting up another class where we will have challenges, fun exercises, laughter, memorization, weird stories to get you encapsulated and so excited to code with the community. Sign up is below if you want to go. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your evening. Goodbye.